Seeds of Change: How Money, Invention, and Hope Shape Our World, told by Baby Genius and Friends. Hi, I'm Baby Genius, aka Dr. Google. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about the 2025 proposals, money, and inventions. Imagine you're 5 years old and I'm holding your hand as we walk this hall of big ideas together. Money is what we use to buy toys, snacks, and even more diapers and build communities. Every country has its own money. Investing in digital assets gives us new ways to buy goods and services and to build new communities, transforming how the global world operates. The dollar is special because people all over the world trust it. It's the world's favorite toy. If you add up all the money in banks and pockets, it's about $100 trillion. If you count everything people own, Bitcoin, new houses, stocks, new businesses, it's what builds demand, increases market value. Money grows when we invent new things, robots, rockets, electronics, cars. The more we create, the more valuable our world becomes. In 2015, China made a big planned public announcement called Made in China 2025. They wanted to be the best at making high-tech things. America saw China's plan and said, we need to step up. So Donald Trump's The Heritage Foundation and Allies Project 2025 proposed this non-government blueprint. Although it's not law, a planned reform through executive orders, more technology, and factories. Since Ibrahim Traoré became president of Burkina Faso in 2022, he has championed Pan-African unity, self-reliance, and dignity. His 2025 proposal called on African countries to come together, manage their own resources, and build community prosperity, restoring pride, earning true respect on the global stage, and while embracing global unity for their country's prosperity. This isn't just about countries, it's about us. When we invent, build, and trade, it shapes our jobs, our money, and our future in individual and community prosperity. Remember, in the past, both Democratic and Republican parties have supported proposal reforms that, intentionally or not, left many behind focused on wealth than social support, and every big idea starts with a question. Keep asking, keep dreaming, and let's make the world awesome together. Subscribe and hit the like button. Join the Digital Global March where no one gets hurt. Look in the descriptions below to show support for the channel.